Welcome to CADD-tech. In today's video, we're going to look at downloading AutoCAD using an educational license. So the first thing we're going to do is open our internet browser, and we're going to go to autodesk.com. Then we are going to click on Explore Products. And then we're going to go up here to Products and go over to Download Your Software. And we will need to sign in. So use whatever your educational email is that has a license attached to it. And it will ask for password. And then it will require you to enter a code. And we're going to trust this device. And then it will bring up a list of software, and you will find whichever one you want. For this tutorial, we're going to use just regular AutoCAD. We want 2027. This is a 64-bit computer, and we want the English version. So I'm going to click Install, and then Accept. We're going to click this, and then Allow, and then we just wait for the installation. Okay, so I'm just going to install in the default location just under Program Files. We're going to click Install, and then we wait again. Now that the installation is complete, it wants us to restart our computer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, we have restarted our computer, and you can see that we have the AutoCAD icon. So let's click that. And here is AutoCAD. So you should already be logged into your educational account, and it should be ready to go. And this is how we install AutoCAD with an educational license.